With the introduction of Office scripts in Excel, Microsoft is encouraging users to move forward for more modern and cloud-friendly automation. It is a big step forward for the old school VBA. If you have used VBA, you will find Office scripts easier to manage, especially when you're working with files stored in OneDrive or SharePoint. Plus, it runs from both installed and web version of Excel as well. I am Kailash, and in this video, I will show you how you can record your steps in Excel using Office scripts, run them, and exactly where it gets saved. So, let's get started. There are a couple of things that you should know before using Office script. First, Office script is not by default available in all versions of Excel. So please check your subscription before you see whether the option is available or not. I am using Microsoft 365 subscription here. Second, currently Office script has certain limitation. For example, if you are planning to create an interface, in that case, Office script cannot be used. Second, if there are requirements to run some task based on triggers, for example, on file open or any changes made to a sheet like that, in that case, Office script cannot be used with the current capabilities it has got. Okay, so having said that, let's go to Excel and see where Office script is available and how you can use it. So here I have opened a file in Excel which has got multiple sheets. So it has got sheet 1, 2, 3 like that. And if you see, it has got user ID, name, email, department, country, created and created time. Now, all sheets have the similar information, but the number of rows are different. And also, they are not formatted properly. So what we want to do is we want to record an Office script which will format this Excel file, all the sheets. So just like VBA, here also you can record your steps. And where you can find these options? Under this ribbon, you have got something called Automate. And this option, if you don't find it, check your subscription. It is enabled based on your subscription. Okay, so here you see this option, Record Action. So click on it and you are starting a recorder. Now, whatever action that you are going to take, they are going to be recorded. So just like in VBA, we record actions, same way you can record it here as well. And you should use shortcuts. So that means if I select this entire range manually versus using a shortcut, shortcut should be preferred because the same action it is going to perform. So here what I'll do is I'll press Shift Control and right key, then Shift Control down key to select my entire data, right? If you select something like using the mouse, then you may get into problem. Okay, so let's start doing it. So Shift Control and right and go to Home. Let's add some header. I'll use a header like this color. You see it got recorded, right? Then change the color to white, make it bold, right? And then again using shortcut, Shift Control down key, I'm pressing, and then add the border like this. And then Control space to select all the columns and either double click or under Format, we have got Auto Fit column width like this, right? Now you select here and our recording is done. So we can stop. So it got saved. It is named as script. And now let's go to sheet 2 and try to run this script on this sheet. Click on run. You see, it is able to format it, right? And here we have got how many rows? 14, and there we had 15. So it is able to adjust. And why it is able to adjust? Because we have used shortcuts and rather than selecting the columns or rows manually. Same way, if you want to do it here, run the script and done, right? Now, where this script is saved. So in VBA, normally the code is saved within the Excel file itself. But in Office scripts, it works little different. So for that, we will go to OneDrive, and under my OneDrive, my files, documents, and this is where you should find all your scripts. So Office scripts, and you see 1 minute ago, we created a script. So all the scripts get stored in your OneDrive, and from there it is available. Office scripts are cloud-friendly scripts. That means they can easily be integrated with Power Platform, flows like that. So start using them, and I'm going to see you in the next video.